Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share 3 amazing eyelash and eyebrow growth serum recipes with all of you. These are double-strength serums that produce amazing eyelash and eyebrow growth. It's peak summer here in Tamil Nadu. I used to use castor oil serum regularly and I have a recipe for it which I'll link in the end card of this video. But since castor oil is very sticky, I wanted something light but equally effective to use in summer. So I made this eye serum with hair growth promoting herbs. I made 3 serums with 3 different herbs. They only differ in smell, but otherwise, they're equally effective in promoting both eyelash and eyebrow growth. Make the serum with the herb that is available to you. To make the serum, choose from any one of the 3 herbs given and make an extract out of it. Rosemary has amazing hair growth promoting properties. It was the first herb I tried and my most favorite as it smells amazing. Actually, the serum made with rosemary is equally effective like castor oil in promoting eyelash and eyebrow growth. Here in India, some departmental stores stock fresh rosemary. If you don't get fresh rosemary, you can use dried rosemary too. To make rosemary extract, first take half cup of water in a pot. Add a small bunch of fresh rosemary to it and start boiling. Let it boil till the color of the water changes and the water reduces in half. This will take approximately about 6 to 7 minutes. Once it reduces in half, switch off and strain. Peppermint is another herb that is amazing for promoting hair growth. It has been proven through research too. Some nurseries here in India stock fresh peppermint plants. To make peppermint extract, first take half cup of water in a pot. Add a handful of fresh peppermint leaves to it and start boiling. Let it boil till the color of the water changes and the water reduces in half. Once it reduces in half, switch off, strain and let cool completely. All of us know that curry leaves are excellent for promoting hair growth and it can be used for promoting eyebrows and eyelash growth too. Actually, you'll be amazed how effective it is. It also smells nice. To make curry leaf extract, bruise 1/4 cup of curry leaves in a mortar and pestle. This helps it release its essence into the water faster. Now boil them in half cup of water till the water reduces to 1/4 cup. Switch off, strain and let cool completely. To make the serum, take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Now add in 1/4 cup of your desired extract little by little. Though I have used store-bought aloe vera gel, you can use fresh aloe vera gel too. I have tried both, but I find using store-bought gel gives the perfect consistency. Fresh aloe vera gel makes the serum too runny. Once the extract is mixed well into the aloe vera gel, break open 1 vitamin E capsule and add the contents. Once you add the contents of the vitamin E capsule, the serum will turn slightly glossy. Mix thoroughly and your serum is ready. Now take an old mascara bottle, wash and sun-dry it well. I have taken the serum in a medicine dispenser, which was a gift when my son was a child. I rarely used it. Now I just use it to fill in small mouth bottles like this, with serums and oils. Once it's filled, cap it tightly and keep it refrigerated. If kept refrigerated, it will last well for about 2 weeks, by which time it will get over. To use, before going to bed every day night, remove all makeup and then apply the serum on the eyelash and eyebrows. Leave it overnight. You will start seeing visible results with 2 to 3 weeks of regular usage. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.